Mwanchomo ligerali omosenata omochole kurwase county ya Kisii mosubati Essy Okenyuri nyeni niga soma roboti gose statement ya Senate eiruo kotuma amagombo gochase ya amate abairi amona basani ebanya gosira Catherine Nyamato oyolenge omojumbe omotangani kigima omosubati kurwasa rogongo rwagusi ase engwana yaye nigo mosikesi Okenyuri amotogi Nyamato muna omosubati olengo moremu ase mirimo yaye niganga yaye naboigo nyato kabaga gwikirania amange chinga kialinge ase kiombe kia maendeleo ya wanawake.
I rise pursuant to Standing Order 52-1 to make a statement on a matter of national concern, namely the demise and enduring legacy of the late Honorable Catherine Nyamato, who passed away on Wednesday, 16th July 2025. Madam Speaker, the late Honorable Catherine Nyamato, a former nominated Member of Parliament from Nyamira County, West Mugrango constituency, was the first woman Member of Parliament from the Kisii community. She was nominated by the Kenya African National Union Party, that's KANU, and served with dedication as a member of the 8th Parliament that ran from 1998 to 2002. She was a seasoned politician and a woman of valor who never compromised her beliefs. She was known to be fearless and passionate in what she fought for and never surrendered even in the face of intimidation. Even so, she was both humble and principled and exemplified the spirit of service, which earned her the admiration of colleagues from across the political divide. Beyond her parliamentary tenure, the late Honorable Catherine Nyamato served as a chairperson of Maendeleo ya Wanawake organization, which I'm a member, through which she amplified the voices of women and girls across the country. She boldly championed women's rights and fought against harmful cultural practices like female genital mutilation, pushed for gender equality in Kenya, and was relentless in her advocacy for women leadership. She also founded the Nyamato Foundation, where she took part in programs geared towards transforming the lives of her people. Madam Speaker, the legacy of the late Honorable Catherine Nyamato is well documented and will live on generations to come. I offer my most sincere condolences to her family, friends, people of Nyamira County, and nation at large. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Na